Negligence, in the context of the law of torts, refers to a breach of duty of care resulting in harm or damage. It's an unintentional tort where a person's careless actions or failure to act as a reasonable person would causes harm to another. To establish negligence, certain elements must be proven. A duty of care, breach of that duty, causation, the breach must be the cause of the harm, and damages. Essentials of negligence. 1. Duty of care. A legal duty is owed by the defendant to the plaintiff, requiring the defendant to act with a certain standard of care to prevent foreseeable harm. 2. Breach of duty. The defendant must have failed to meet the required standard of care, acting negligently by omission, failing to act, or commission, doing something wrong. 3. Causation. The defendant's negligent act or omission must be the direct cause of the plaintiff's injury or damage. This can be established by proving both, cause in fact, the harm would not have occurred but for the defendant's conduct, and, proximate cause, the harm is a foreseeable result of the defendant's actions. And 4. Damages. The plaintiff must have suffered actual harm or loss as a result of the defendant's negligence, which may include physical injury, property damage, emotional distress, or economic loss. Example. A car driver, while texting, swerves into the opposing lane and collides with another vehicle, causing injuries to the passengers. This would be an example of negligence because the driver breached their duty of care by failing to exercise reasonable care while driving, distracted driving, and this breach directly caused harm to the passengers. In simpler terms, negligence is about being careless or not taking reasonable precautions that result in someone else getting hurt or having their property damaged. It's the opposite of intentional wrongdoing, where someone deliberately intends to cause harm. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment.